Now that the government has captured the opposition, now that the government has captured parliament, the church must speak for the people, because we serve the same people. And they also want the improvement of the welfare of the Kenyan people. So let the church speak. Let the church be allowed an opportunity to comment on what is going on. Let us not, persecute the church, because I had some politicians saying, let the church leave the politics to us. There's nothing like that. Okay. The church leads people. All these things is about the people. It's only that people play different roles, but it's the same people. Mm-hmm. The welfare of the Kenyan people is important to everybody, from the state to the church. And people must be allowed to comment freely. And what we saw yesterday is interference with the freedom of worship. Okay. And I want to ask our young people, especially from our community, don't take little money and harm your brother and sister. It's unfortunate that these people, the government is taking advantage of people who are not employed to really misuse them and give them money to harm other people, destroy property. I would like to plead with our young people. Much as I know you are jobless and you are having problems, there is still an opportunity where you can earn some money without hurting somebody else, without destroying property, without creating chaos, without creating mayhem. Right. There is still that opportunity.
The clarion call has been received. So, in terms of freely commenting, I'd like you to react to a comment by the CDF General Charles Kahariri, who not too long ago questioned the Ruto must go chance